Happy Ambedkar Jayanti to all. I am Bhagyashree here from Rourkela, currently pursuing MA in Political Science from Ravenshaw University. Today I truly feel honored to speak about a great personality, visionary and symbol of knowledge, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. He was the architect of our Indian Constitution. He not only drafted our Constitution, he gave it his sole vision of justice and equality for all. He was born on 14th April 1891 at Mahad district in Maharashtra in a scheduled caste family. His father name was Ramji Sakpal and mother name was Bhimabai and his loving wife Ramabai. She supported a lot in his study journey. Despite facing discrimination in childhood, he continuing his education in abroad. He studied in Harvard University and London School of Economics. He get 22 degrees in different subjects and he was the first person who get a PhD degree in economics, and he was the first law minister of our India. He was the champion of social justice. According to him, political freedom is incomplete without social justice. Our Article 21 is said about right to education. Education is the key weapon to breaking the chain of discrimination and injustice in the society. Now, I briefly talking about making constitution process. Our constitution is the largest constitution in the world. It has took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. Drafting committee role was crucial and the chairperson was led by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. 7 members are there but they are unable to participate in it. Ambedkar drafted our constitution in a very crucial manner, and there has 395 articles originally and 22 parts and 8 schedules, and now it has 448 articles, 12 schedules and 25 parts. Our constitution is a living document and dynamic in nature. It has originally handwritten and calligraphy by Prem Bihari Narayan Rayjada. There has different articles are there, and Kesavananda Bharati case Kesavananda Bharati case article 368 said about there has no changes or no amendment in our basic principles of Indian Constitution. There is different rights, but fundamental rights are different from other. These rights is only for citizens of India, and some rights are for foreigners also there. A right to equality, Article 14 said about all are equal in the eyes of law, and Article 17 said abolition of untouchability. He was the advocacy of women's rights, and there has women's right, and he said about women are also part of our society. They have also equal right as a man, and he was said about reservation policy of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, and there is different rights are there, but according to Ambedkar, I truly said Ambedkar was the best person who studied different types of constitution of different countries, and he adopted a best version for us. We are lucky to have this largest constitution in the world, and there is different types of quotes from Ambedkar, but I have a quote. This is: Constitution is not a mere layers of document, it is a vehicle of life. According to Ambedkar said, Constitution is no matter how perfect or well written our Constitution, it is depend on success. Who is run it in a good manner, and who is implement our Constitution like peoples and civil servant and government officials. And that's all from my side. Jai Bhim to all.